নবী হযরত মুহাম্মদ সাল্লাল্লাহু আলাইহি সাল্লামের উপরে যে কটূক্তি করা হয়েছে এবং এই কটূক্তির প্রতিবাদে আজকে আপনারা জাতীয় প্রেস ক্লাবের সামনে হাজার হাজার নারী পুরুষ শিশু সম্মিলিতভাবে প্রতিবাদ করেছেন। এই বিষয়টা যদি একটু বলতেন আপনি আপনার ভাষায়।
Thank you very much for asking the question. You are said that our attacking in our holy beloved Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam by India Ramgiri in India, they attacked and disrespected our holy beloved Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam. In here press club, we are from World Sunni movement under the direction of Allama Imam Hayat alayhi rahmah, who is the founder of World Humanity Revolution, and he is also the first and foremost founder of humanity and politics in all over the world. We say that attacking our holy Rasul, attacking our soul, attacking our holy Rasul, attacking our heart, attacking our holy Rasul, attacking our love, attacking on holy Rasul, attacking our freedom, attacking on holy Rasul, attacking our liberty. We want to say that in all over the world, holy Rasul is the source of all kind of blessing, all kind of freedom, all kind of liberty, and holy Rasul is the root of peace for all humanity loving people all over the world. Disrespect on holy Rasul, disrespect of our life, disrespect of our freedom, disrespect our love, disrespect our dignity, disrespect on our consciousness. Every humanity loving people, every mu'min who love our holy Rasul more than their life, they never tolerate this kind of dignity, this kind of attacking on our holy beloved Rasul. We condemn this kind of attacking on our holy beloved Rasul from this press club, and we also say that our holy Rasul is more than our life. Our holy Rasul give us freedom in all over the world. You know that in previous than 115 years, 1500 years ago, there is I am a Jahiliyat in all over the world, and there is no freedom, there is no peace, there is no liberty. Our holy Rasul gifted us freedom. Our holy Rasul gifted us science. Our holy Rasul gifted us liberty. Our holy Rasul gifted us freedom. Not only Muslim people, but also all the religious people, all the religious loving people all over the world. And for the kindness of holy Rasul, for the direction of holy Rasul, which is called Khalafat Insaniyat, authority of life and world of universal humanity. By this reason, all of there is the harmony of humanity loving people all over the world are inspired by the kindness and by the giftedness and by the direction of our holy beloved Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So at this moment, by India, Ram people who are the very sectarian, communal, evil politics in disguise of religion, they are attacking our holy Rasul, and this is one of the greatest terrorism in all over the world. This is one of the greatest sectarian, communal, evil politics in disguise of religion, and this is the most killing weapon on all over the world that aspirate, that attack not only our holy Rasul, that also attack all humanity loving people, that attack our Muslim, they break the peace all over the world. From that situation, we requested all humanity loving people and all Imani brothers and sisters to come forward and join World Humanity Revolution to save humanity, save our love, freedom and liberty, love, peace and consciousness. Thank you very much.
অনেক অনেক ধন্যবাদ।